Hi there, this is Yaro with Volt, and today I want to talk to you about surf salt spray, aka sea salt spray. The reason I call it surf salt spray is because I've been actually surfing for many years, so I've had plenty of experience with sea salt in my own hair. So today I'm going to break it down to you and talk to you about sea salt spray in your hair, how you can use it, the benefits of it, the ingredients, how it feels, and we're going to also do a quick demo in my own hair. So let's dive into what surf salt spray can do to your hair. So there are many different benefits. In our formula we actually use 3 different salts: kaolin and activated charcoal. These products all together, or these ingredients all together, will actually add volume and texture to your hair, but they will also gently clean it and exfoliate it. Now, sea salt spray alone can also be kind of a dry and can dry your skin. So this is why we added sea kelp and vitamin B5, because these 2 ingredients can also hydrate and moisturize your hair at the same time. There are so many different ways how you can use sea salt spray. My favorite way is to use it in a dry hair, and that's because I am usually in a rush in the morning, so I love using sea salt spray just to do a quick styling. Also, I love using it when I'm camping or dry camping and there's no water around, because I can also use it as a dry shampoo. The next more common way to use sea salt spray is actually in a damp or towel dry hair, and then actually use your favorite styling products to finish your styling the way you want it. And lastly, I actually use sea salt spray in my own beard because it actually gives it a little bit of a volume and softness, and it feels really clean. So let's jump into the application, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it in the morning in my own dry hair to do a quick 3-minute hairdo. This is my morning bed hat, and this is pretty typical for me, especially if I shower the night before and use a shampoo. It just goes wild. So I want to show you how I can use the surf salt spray to quickly change, this into something that looks more style. It's got some texture to it, it's got some volume to it, and something that's actually on the go that I can do quickly in 2 or 3 minutes. So let's get started on this. So first off, I'm going to turn this trigger on right here. That way I can get the liquid out, and I'm going to start by giving it some good solid spray in my hair. Alright, so I gave it about 10 to 15 sprinkles. I mean, it depends on your length of the hair, but for me 10 to 15 is good. And now I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm not gonna use any brush or comb, I'm just gonna use my hands and kind of style it the way I want it. And I'm not going for a very clean look, I'm going for kind of the little, messy look, but I wanna, make it look completely natural, just like if you were getting out of the surf or morning surf session. So make sure you kind of go through it really well, spread the sea salt throughout all your hair, just like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry and come back and show you kind of the before and after images, and also what this looks like when it's actually completely dry out. So here I am in the afternoon. I actually wanted to show you what the product is gonna look like in my hair after a few hours, and all I did in the morning was actually comb it with my own fingers. As you can see, there's a big difference from that morning hair to right now. I was able not only to style my hair, but also to give it some texture, volume, and light hold that is going to last me all day long. And lastly, the best part about this is that it feels light and soft and really natural. And I love that feeling because I can actually run my fingers through my hair anytime without getting any sort of a residue on it.